Am I audible, guys? That's good. Am I visible, guys? Okay. Let's do. I think we completed designing of the application. We did our coding on the paintbrush. But you are almost ready to develop the application, but not develop the application because I have not given list of jar files. Unfortunately, not one jar file. We have bunch of jar files to add. In that one, some main jar files are there, some dependent jars are there. You should think about adding both main and dependent jar files. Shall we start doing that work, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, let's do that work. If Java application is using third-party API, that third-party API related both main and dependent jar files must be added to class path. What do you mean by main jar file and dependent jar file? The classes of one jar are using classes of other jar file. This one jar file is called main jar file and other jar files are called dependent jar file. Sir, why should I add both jar files? During compilation, it will use main jar files content only. Why? In our application also, we use the classes of main jar file. During the execution of the application, our application try to execute the classes of main jar file. And these classes try to execute the classes of dependent jar files. If they are not there in the class path, you will be getting no class definition found exception or class not found exception or not. Come on, everyone. You will be getting either no class definition found exception or what? Class not found exception or not, guys. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Super, guys. Is it not interesting or not, guys? Come on. Super, boss. Okay, let's see. The final conclusion is whenever Java application uses the API, that the API related main and dependent jar file should be added to class path. So far, you are lucky people. You worked with Oracle JDBC driver, which is coming in the form of single jar file, no dependent jar file. You are working with the Servlet API. Servlet API also coming in the form of single jar file, no dependent jar files, right, guys? But every day is same day, na boss? No. The jar file representing Spring core module is having main jar file and also dependent jar file. No option. You should add both main and dependent jar files to class path. Main jar file content will be used during the compilation of the program, and the main and dependent jar files content will be used during the execution of the application. I'll take one real life example to understand this scenario in a better manner. Okay, it's quite a funny example. I'm getting to your level to make you people understand this one nicely, boss. Let us assume you are an engineering student, started going for classes, you attracted to a girl, quite natural, right? Okay. You started doing friendship with that girl. You asked that girl, okay, so we are traveling together for so many days, let's become friends and let's go to some coffee cafe day, right? For taking coffee or tea kind of thing. Will she say yes immediately? No. She says no. But boy keeps quiet. No, again he will ask, right? But one day she says yes, but keeps the condition. What's the condition? I don't come alone with you. You call my roommates or friends also. Yes or no? I think everyone might have experienced this kind of situation. Not experienced it, huh? Okay, if not, in future you will experience. Don't worry. Okay, guys. Now listen. Look at the position of the boy. He want to spend time with how many girls? One girl. But she said, I'm having dependence with how many people? Friends. Can be 10, can be 20. or can be 1 2 also, right? Can be 10, can be 20, or it can be big number. So, though he is not interested to spend it time and pay money for others, but he is forced to do both or not, guys. Aisa no na? Same situation for the programmer here also. We will be using classes of main jar file in our application development. Do I have any problem to add those jar files to class path or build path of the project? No. But I'm forced to add their dependent jar files to what? Class path or build path. Because no option. Class of first dot jar is using class of second dot jar. Class of second dot jar is using class of third dot jar. So though I'm using classes of first dot jar, I'm forced to add second dot jar, third dot jar files to class path. Is that clear, my dear? I want reply, boss. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah, here is my 2000, guys. Here is my what? 10,000. Okay, I'm just going for this. Yeah, where should I save this document? What's our 618? This is my 618. Spring. Yeah, tell me here what is there, guys. 618 here. First application development. What application? Development using Eclipse JWE ID. I hope can I assume everyone ready with can I assume everyone ready with Eclipse ID in your system? Okay. Yeah. Now, what's the point I should write, guys? If the Java application uses third party technology or framework API. What API? Third party technology or framework API. Then that API related jar files must be added to class path. That API related jar file. Okay, guys. Who is asking? Ajay Kumar, today in your village rain, tomorrow some other village rain. So is it going to work out really? Please bring this kind of situation tomorrow. Okay? I definitely sympathize you, but it will not work out. Definitely it will not work out. In future also, in software company also, those things will not work out. Sympathy will never give results, boss, please. Sympathy gives sympathy only. Okay. API related jar files must be added to class path or build path. Or in Eclipse, it is called build path. In other places, it is called class path. In my computer, it is called class path. In Eclipse, we call it as what? Build path. Must be added to class path. Is that clear, my dear? Super. If the classes of first.jar file are using the classes of what, guys? Second.jar file, then first.jar file is called main jar file and second.jar file is called tell me, dependent jar file to first.jar file. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. If the classes of first.jar file are using classes of what? Second.jar file. I hope you're comfortable, my dear. Come on. Super. Okay. Now tell me now. If first dot jar classes are using second dot jar classes. Second dot jar classes are using, what is this? Third dot jar classes. Classes. Then tell me what is that? Then we can say, what is this? All these classes are in what dependency? Transitive dependency. What is that, guys? All these classes are, all these jar files are in. Jar files are in transitive dependent. Transitive means what, guys? Main dependent, their dependent, their dependent. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Next one. The main jar files added to class path will be used during the compilation of what, guys? Compilation of Java application. Whereas the main and dependent jar files, what, guys? Main and dependent jar files added to class path will be used during the what, guys? Execution of the Java application. During the execution of the Java application. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Okay, guys. While working with the Spring Core module, we need to add the following main and dependent jar file. Two main jar files are there, guys. Spring Context Support, that's the one main jar file. Spring Core, what is the other one? Spring Core. These two are the two main jar files. The remaining all are directly or indirectly dependent jar files. So how to find out, sir? As of now, through documentation, but there are tools, Neve and Gradle kind of tools are there. If you mention the name of the main jar file, they automatically download main jar file and relevant dependent jar files. So tools will simplify your job, guys. But as long as you are not using the tools, it's your headache. But how to find out, sir? Documentation, previous examples with reference document, you have to find out the main and dependent jar file. No option, guys. Okay. The Spring Core module jar files are libraries are. Okay. For so many batches, I already downloaded, my dear. Go to downloads folder. Okay. You can continue. Shant Nishal. How did you get the link? Who has given link to you? Mr. Prashant, you joined today, that's fine. But how do you get the link? Who has given link to you? From whom you got the link, Prashant? Tell me, otherwise I will remove you from the meeting. Did you get officially from admin or from other places? Okay. No, you paid or not, that's secondary, boss. From whom you got the link? I'm not worried about commercials. From whom you got the link? Admin Praveen Bandi. Admin Praveen Bandi, can you check this guy once? Okay, then you are supposed to collect the backup videos from the admin only, na? Why are you disturbing my flow? When you got the link from admin supposed to supply backup videos also. Please collect the backup videos from admin and watch them in 1-2 days. Then you can continue in this batch. Super. Okay, Ajay Kumar, class is just started. Okay, you might have noticed that also only this document is completed. Please focus on the class. Focus on the class. Right. Okay, everyone downloads, guys. In the download section, there is no, oh, this is iCloud. 1 minute. iCloud downloads, I don't need Babu. I need my downloads, system downloads, right? Here, so many jars are there, na boss. So many jars are there. Come on. Yeah, these are the jar files. These are Spring core module related jar files, guys. Spring expression version.jar. Version. Latest Spring version is, what is that? Latest Spring version is, right, guys? 6.1.13. 13 is the latest one. These subversions, minor versions will change time to time. It's not like that they will not change, right? Okay, Spring expression version.jar, guys. We have this one. Okay, in that one, what are the main jar file? What are the dependent jar file? Okay, let me reshuffle so that I can write nicely, guys. Spring bean, not spring bean, sorry. Nice, boss. Yeah, these two are main jar files and remaining all are dependent jar files. Okay, guys, these are called dependent jar file. And this is called what, guys? Main jar file. This is technically called what jar file, guys? Main jar file. Understood my statement, guys? How to download these jar files, okay? Using Niven or Gradle tool, we can automate this build process, right? We can automate this build process. Agree with me, guys? Okay. Using Niven or Gradle tool, we can automate this build process. We can automate the process of downloading main and dependent jar files. What files, guys? Main and dependent jar files. Okay, na boss? Super. Okay, next. Okay, otherwise we need to download main and jar files manually. Otherwise, we need to download the main and what, guys? Dependent jar files manually from the internet. Manually from the internet. Is that clear, guys? Super. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Okay, guys. Main and dependent. But now I have to give the procedure for downloading, guys. See, there's a website called mvnrepository.com. What is this? MVN repository. Actually related to Maven, but can also be used to download the jar files manually. You search for your jars. Spring context support. Right, guys? Is there now? Click on search. It came. 6.1.13 is the latest. There is a jar hyperlink. The moment I click on jar hyperlink, The moment I click on jar hyperlink, right guys? Spring context support version.jar. What is there guys? Spring context support version.jar. That's good. Like this, we have to download all the 7 jar files, guys. 2 main jar file and 5 dependent jar files. Easy procedure, na boss. Come on. Okay. Yeah, tell me now. We take the list ones. So Spring context support. Then we got Spring context. Sir, do I need to remember these jar file? In manual process, you have to remember. Sir, how did you remember? I am using almost every batch. That's why they are there in brain. Sir, if I forget any problem, no problem. You can forget. Because in future, we just remember main jar file, remaining everything will come automatically when I start using Mivenar Gradle tool. First 2, 3 projects I will do in manual process only. Then I will introduce Miven tool. Okay. Click on what guys? Jar. Downloaded. Click on what guys? Downloaded. Again search for what? Spring Core. This is Spring Core guys. 6.1.13 guys. Click on jar. Nice. Next one. Spring Beans. Search. Spring Beans. This one. Click on jar. Small jars only they are. Okay. Next one. Spring AOP, Aspect Oriented Programming. 6.13 guys. Come on. Click on jar. That's good. Next one. Spring JCL. What's the next thing guys? Spring JCL. Spring JCL, right? Click on jar. Next one. Spring Expression. Spring Expression. That is one 6.1.13. Click on jar. I think we got all the jars or anything is missing. I think we got all the 7 jars. Now go to downloads folder. Still few things are going on. Downloading is going on guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, these are unconfirmed download. Just delete them guys. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many jars are there guys? 7 jars. Okay. Are version changed boss. Same jars. Only version change. Plus force. 7. Okay. Latest jars. Definitely these are latest jar files or not boss? Okay. Definitely these are latest jar files or not guys? Come on. Okay boss. That's fine. This is my Eclipse ID here. If Java application uses third-party API, that API related main and dependent jar file should be added to class path. Can I give the procedure to download guys? I'll give for 1 jar file, you can apply the same thing. Okay. Procedure for downloading. Downloading. All these jar files. All these jar files. Tell me, first one, go to mvnrepository.com. Search for jar. Search for the jar file. Search for the jar file. Select the jar file. Select the jar file. Select the version. Okay. Click on jar hyperlink for download. Hyperlink for download. You will get all the 6 jar files here now, boss. Come on. That's perfect. Yeah. So now we got the jars. Array, in here all annotation, config, application class, annotations, get the rate component. All these are available in these jars only, boss. All these are available in these jars only. Two main jar file, 5 dependent jar file. In those dependent, some of them are direct dependent, some of them are indirect dependent. You don't worry about it. So shall we go for it? Procedure to develop first Spring application on dependency injection. What, guys? Is nothing but a field injection, guys. Simply nothing but what injection? Field injection. Perfect. Step number 1. What is step number 1, guys? Launch. Eclipse ID choosing. Okay. It's well, just Eclipse is enough, guys. Okay. 1 minute. I'll make this one as a step number 2. Choosing its workspace folder. What folder? Workspace folder. Workspace folder means the folder where projects will be saved. The folder where projects will be saved, guys. Okay. The folder where projects will be saved. Where the projects will be saved. Any location. We can choose any location, guys. What is the location I am going to choose? My choice, guys. / workspaces / come on, guys. Spring / what's your batch code? NTSPMES. Which version of Eclipse I should download? Any latest version, fine. Any latest version, fine, but JWE one. What one? JWE flavor. I think other I introduced flavors of Eclipse. NTSPBMS. Okay. Abraham, sorry boss. You have to arrange Eclipse on your own. Come on. I hope. Abraham, you never used Eclipse in your lifetime so far? Mr. Abraham, have you not used it like Eclipse so far? Okay, no problem. I'll take care of that. NTSPBMS. How much, guys? 618 is the workspace folder. Okay. It's a 2 minutes work, guys. Don't worry. 2 minutes work to install Eclipse. Okay. Next, step number 1. Download and install Eclipse JWE latest version. What is that, guys? Download and install. What is there? Eclipse JWE latest version. Eclipse JWE latest version. Nothing but download as a jar file, download as a zip file and extract it. Download as a zip file and extract it. Good? Yes. Tell me here. Download Eclipse JWE. Download Eclipse JWE, guys. Eclipse JWE. 2024-06 is the latest one, guys. Yes or no, na boss? Okay. And a minimum version that is required is Java 8, boss. Then Java 11. Anything is fine. But don't use Java 21, 22 because our Spring is not compatible with the 21, 22. It is compatible up to 17, guys. It's compatible up to 17. In 17 and before any version you can install. That's not a problem. So we got Eclipse installer. Am I looking for installer, guys? No. I'm looking for what? Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Eclipse IDE for enterprise web developers. Windows. This one is there now. When you click on it, it will download as a zip file. There is an option of download here now, boss. Come on, everyone. Okay. Yeah, before clicking on download, this is the zip file, guys. Come on. Okay. Click on download. Downloading is started now, boss. Definitely downloading is started. But how did you practice, right, without having how did you practice your advanced Java and core Java without having Eclipse knowledge? Some people are saying Eclipse, we don't know Eclipse. I am quite surprised a little bit. Okay, guys. This is the option we got, guys. We got the zip file, and if you extract the zip file, you'll be getting what? Sir, the person who can work with IntelliJ, can't you work with Eclipse? Yes, sir. Right. Now, Navyasri, whatever version you install, you have to check what version you have to install, right? How to install, how to check also I have shown yesterday. Help menu about Eclipse, right? Fine, boss. Please don't try to act too much innocent. Too much innocent while learning Spring is not good. That will give negative impression. Don't act too much innocent. Yeah. What is this? Download the zip file and extract the zip file, right, guys? Okay. I will be using IntelliJ also. Priyanka Kumari madam. First Eclipse, then IntelliJ. There is order of learning every IDE. First learn Eclipse, then IntelliJ. And moreover, all these are GUI tools, Babu. Yes? If you know one IDE, you can happily work with other IDE. It's something like working with what? Android mobile and iPhone mobile. Please put your efforts on productivity things, guys. Okay? Don't worry about small things. And still market leader is Eclipse IDE only. Still market leader is Eclipse IDE only. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Super. Tell me here what is there. What is this? Download the zip file. Download the zip file and extract it. Extract it. Extract it. Okay, guys. Download the zip file and extract it, guys. This PC, guys. Already downloaded to downloads folder. It's already downloaded to downloads folder. Okay, still going on. Download is still going on, guys. Wait for some time. Okay. Since someone asked, I also work with the latest version. Now, with previous version, now I will work with the latest version. Go to the folder. This is the zip file. Okay. I generally maintain backup, guys, for reference purpose. Okay. Softwares. Tell me here, what is this? Eclipse. Oh, these many versions of Eclipse I am maintaining, boss. Okay. Save paste. I'm just maintaining backup of them, nothing. Show more options. Paste. This is the latest now. Okay. Open with what, guys? WinRAR. Extract to which folder? Press the wrong button, right? Close. Extract to which folder? Any folder I can extract. Okay, this is the folder, guys. This I want to extract. Where in the same folder only, I'm asking to extract, guys. There is inside that eclipse.exe file will be there. We have to use that exe file for launching the Eclipse. Extraction is done by here. Come on. I think what is the latest version? 2024 extraction. This one, Eclipse. Here, eclipse.exe. If you click on it, it will be launched. But every day, by coming to this much deep, click on eclipse.exe. Better to send one shortcut to the desktop now, boss. Better to send one shortcut to the desktop now, boss. Come on. Yeah, tell me, guys. Tell me here, what is this? So more option. Create send to desktop as a shortcut. Send to desktop as what? Shortcut, guys. So I got two things. Already old one and this is the new one. So can I rename this shortcut, my dear? Can I rename this shortcut here? Tell me. Extracting zip file is a complex process. Very easy na, boss. Eclipse. Eclipse JWE. What's the number, guys? 2024 6. Eclipse is identified based on the release month and year, boss. Oh. Too advanced, huh? Right. Eclipse JWE. Now onwards, I can click on this one. This is a new logo, guys. 2024-06. Right. Okay. Download. Launch Eclipse ID by choosing its workspace folder, boss. Right. It is still loading Eclipse, guys. First time it takes time. It's taking so much. Which version Java you are using? I'm using Java 17, boss. I'm using Java 17. Software setup. Java 8 plus version. I'm preferring 17, right? Eclipse 2020 plus version. I'm preferring to use what, guys? 2024-06. 2024-06. Clear, my dear? Super. Click on it. Asking to choose the workspace folder. Yeah, I'm choosing my choice location, guys. Yeah, it is by default pointing to some other location. All my projects are there in a different way. Any location you can choose. Workspaces, Spring. So many folders are there now, boss. Okay, there. New folder I want to create. What is a new folder? NTSPBMS. What's the batch code I have given? 618, right, boss? NTSPBMS 618. Click on launch. Launching the Eclipse ID here or not, boss? Simply launching the Eclipse ID here or not, guys? Yeah, this is the first window, guys. Close the window. So this is the basic look of Eclipse ID. I hope you got it. Easy. Yeah, you need not install JDK separately. Whatever JDK that is installed, that will be picked up. And moreover, Eclipse comes with its own JDK. You need not to arrange JDK separately. If you don't have JDK in your system also, you can still work with what? Eclipse ID. Come, boss. Workspace folder is chosen now, boss. Next. Step number 3. Make sure that the above Spring Core jar files, nothing but libraries, are downloaded. What, guys? Are downloaded. Downloaded or not downloaded, guys? Definitely downloaded. Step number 4, guys. Yeah, tell me what is step number 4? I want reply, guys. Come on. Okay. Create a Java project. What, guys? Create a Java project in Eclipse ID having name. What is that? IOC. What, guys? Having name IOC pros 01. Some name, guys. What's the name I want to take? Dependency injection. IOC pros dependency injection. Is that clear, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Come on. Okay, I'm increasing the font a little bit, guys, for better visibility. General appearance. General appearance. Inside the appearance, colors and fonts. Basic, guys. Text to font, guys. Come on, guys. Edit, my dear. What's the better font, guys? Calibri is the better font. Bold, 14th. Okay. What's the specialty of this line? Yeah, all 26 alphabets are covered in this sentence, guys. Don't search for Z, it is there. Okay, boss. We are ready with basic setup. Okay, now I need to create a project. File menu, new project. Still time is there to create Maven projects and other thing. There Java projects, guys. Come on. Can we download Eclipse for Java developer or Java enterprise web developer? Ramani madam, it's by keeping future applications in mind, you have to develop what? JWE flavor. That means second one. Second one. Then what's the use of seeing this screenshot, madam? What the hell you are doing when you are looking at the screenshot? JWE 2024, right? Yes or no? Na? Next one. Technology download release. I already said JWE flavor, right, guys? Eclipse for Java developer means that is Eclipse SDK. Eclipse for Web and Enterprise developer means JWE. JWE. Okay, guys. Yeah, what's the name of the project, guys? IOC Pros 01. Where is this? Dependency injection. What, guys? IOC Pros 01 dependency injection. Oh, now listen. This is not the problem. Here one option, module option is there, deselect it. You deselect this checkbox, error gone. Did you notice it? Yeah, this is going to be project name. It is using what, guys? 21. Let it be no problem. Let it be no problem. Okay. Say next. Say finish. You want to open in previous perspective? No. So basic project setup has come now, boss. Okay, can I give that procedure here? Can I give that procedure here, guys? Yeah, what is this? File menu. What is this? File menu. New. What is there, guys? Project. Name, guys. IOC Pros 01. IOC Pros 01. What is there? Dependency injection. Dependency injection. Tell me. Deselect the checkbox. What is that, guys? Deselect the checkbox. Sir, you said, see, fine, boss. Listen, you take Java 21, not a problem. Not a problem, guys. Okay? If any problem comes, we'll change it. Let me check. Latest version may be compatible, right? Latest version may be compatible. If any problem comes, we'll change the version. Don't worry about it. Deselect the checkbox. What is that? Module info. What is there? Module info checkbox. After that, what next? Next, finish. Next, finish, guys. Okay, na? Right. Yeah, continue with the default Java version. Continue with default Java version 21 that came. 21 that came. Yes, I am still experimenting, guys. If not compatible, we'll change it. If compatible, we'll continue with the same thing. 21 it is going, boss. Let's hope for the best. Okay, next. Okay, before developing the code, better to add jar files to the build path of the project. Step number 5. Add the above downloaded 7 jar files to the class path. Class path or build path of the project. Class path or build path of the project. Right click, guys. Build path, guys. Configure build path, guys. Come on. Libraries tab, guys. Select class path, guys. Come on. Add external jars, boss. Go to downloads folder. What folder? Folder. Here are my what, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Yeah. Just select the 7 jar files. Don't do anything. Just select the 7 jars. Total how many jars, guys? 7 jars. Apply guys, apply and close. Okay, all the 7 jars are added or not, boss? All the 7 jars are added. Okay. What's the procedure to follow, guys? Right click on the project. I'll give every small notation. First application, na boss. Right click on the project. Build path. Configure build path. Libraries tab. What is that? Libraries tab. Come on, guys. Select class path. Add external jars. Add external jars. Come on, guys. Browse and select the. Browse and select the. Select the 7 jar files. What files, guys? Browse and select the 7 jar file from the downloads folder. What folder? From the downloads folder. From the downloads folder. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. Here a new case. Okay. Now to create packages, na boss. Okay. Step number how much? How much? 7, huh? Create the following packages. On guys, create the following packages in the SRC folder of the project. Which folder of the project, guys? SRC folder of the project. Right click, guys, new package. What is that? form.nt.esbeans. That's the one thing, guys. That's one thing. Next, right click was new package. form.nt.config. What is there? Config. Next, new package. form.nt.main package. And now, boss, configuration class in which dependent class is configured, main class is developed, and this is going to be client application. All three are ready or not, guys? 1 minute. First day, everything I will give as a screenshot. These are the 3 packages that we are going to create. I think we have a clarity what application we are developing. The same old wish message generator application only, na boss? Right. Go to SBeans package, guys. Tell me new class, guys. Tell me here what is this? Wish message generator. Wish message generator, right, guys? Wish message generator. Okay, boss. At the rate component. Good. Jars are not added. Added, na boss. Why suggestions are not coming? Yes. At the rate component. What is this? Bean ID WMJ. Whatever I am passing is there. Bean ID. Wait. Loc time. I am taking LT. Any name you can give, boss. That's up to you. At the rate auto. Right? This is going to be field injection. Control plus shift plus O. Tell me next one, guys. Packages imports automatically. Control plus shift plus O is the shortcut key, right, guys? Control plus shift plus O. Okay, to import the packages. Guys, the people who have not used Eclipse IDE so far, you have to habituate to Eclipse fastly. Right. Okay. Now I need to develop the business method here. In our style business method, public string, generate wish message. Generate wish message, string user. What user, guys? String user. Tell me, guys. Get current hour of the day. What, guys? Int hour is equal to LT dot get hour. Yeah, 24 hours format now, boss. 24 hours format. Super. Okay. Next. Can you show your version of Eclipse? Shruti Sivan, in front of you I downloaded. In the URL I have given screenshot, and people are asking, show me version of this one. Do you think this kind of concentration will take you to heights? Focus, my dear, please. Help about Eclipse ID. Yeah, what is Eclipse ID? 2024-06. Yes or no, na? What is this one? Eclipse ID for enterprise and web developers. Stop doing parallel practicals. I request every online student not to do parallel practicals. If you do parallel practical, you are the loser. You will stuck up somewhere, your brain will be there only. Here, topic by topic will complete. Stop doing parallel practical. If you do, you are the loser. Shruti madam, I hope you will stop that. All right. Okay. Generate the wish message. What message, guys? Generate the wish message. Okay, tell me. If hour less than 20, what is there? Return good morning plus user, guys. Else if hour greater than what? Hour greater, not 20 is wrong, boss. 12. Greater than or equal to 12. Next, hour less than 16. Okay, what is this? Good afternoon, guys. Next, guys. Tell me, greater than or equal to 16 and hour less than 20. Yeah, tell me, guys, return. What is there? Good evening. Return good evening. Else, return good night. Anything great, guys, so far? Anything great, guys, so far? Easy. So that's what I said. When you open Eclipse IDE, you should look like we are writing the code. We are not understanding the code. Whatever code we design, accordingly we are developing or not. We are ready with the target class here now, boss. We are definitely ready with the target Spring Bean class. What do you say, guys? Target Spring Bean class. Yeah. Then we have to go for dependent Spring Bean class or not, guys. Right click, guys, a new class. What is the class, guys? App config. App config. Right, guys. What is this? App config.java. At the rate configuration. Come on, guys. This makes class as configuration class or not, guys? At the rate component scan base packages is equal to dot nt dot esbeans. Component scan base package is equal to, then only user defined classes will be scanned or not. Array, this is having at the rate component can be scanned only when you mention this package name. Recollect? Okay, now tell me what is there. Yeah, I have to configure dependent class as the Spring Bean. Who is our dependent class, guys? Local time. Is a predefined class or user defined class? Predefined class. To configure predefined class as Spring Bean, what should I do? I need to take the support of @bean method or not, guys? Yes. Public local time. What is this? Public local time. Create L time. Any name you can give, Babu. Not a problem. Yeah, tell me now. @bean name is equal to L time. Any bean ID you can give. That's not a problem. Yes. Return. What is this? Local time dot now. Local time dot now. Observe this, guys. App config. Here is my wish message generator. Is that ready? Okay. How to feel whether objects are created or not created? So I said, nah. The moment container created, this object will be created. I said all this stuff. So to feel it practically, better to have one constructor with SOP message, sys control space. You will get SOP with message. But I'm changing that message to whom, guys? App config colon 0 arg construct. What constructor? Perfect. Next one here. Sys That is going to be sys or not, guys? Some more shortcut keys can I give? Control E. Sys system.out.println with the default message, right, guys? Sys out plus ctrl plus space. ctrl plus space. Tell me, system.out.println with no message. Yes, with no message. Yeah, this is done, guys. I think better to do the same thing here also, boss. Sys right, boss? Okay, that one. But how to feel object is created? Which message generator? Only to feel object is created. I'm writing this one, boss. Sys here. What is there? 0 arg constructor. What arg constructor, guys? 0 arg constructor. Which message generator.java? This is my what? App config.java. Are you ready with the target class? Independent class and target class package name. Dependent configuration, everything is linked to configuration class. But now we need to pass this configuration class as input value and we need to create IOC container. And so many things it will do on the container creation process. For reusability purpose, maintains the objects in internal cache. Recollect everything. So that I can ask the container, give me one object, take the object and call the business method. Once you feel everything is over, close the container. Once you feel everything is over, you simply close the container. I hope you got it, guys. Come on, everyone. Yes, here is my main class, boss. What is that? Main class. What is this? Dependency injection test. What test, guys? Dependency injection test. Here is my main method. Main method is coming automatically here or not? Yes. Okay. Yeah, create AOC contain. When I'm writing the code, are you feeling anything great? Do I need to learn anything great? Because we spend some time on designing of the code. From last 3-4 days, what we are doing every day? We are understanding, seeing the flow. And Saturday, I think in Saturday send we spend a lot of time on flow of execution. Did we or not? Yes. Annotation config. Application context. CTX is equal to new annotation config application context. We are creating annotation config application context class object or not, boss? Say something, my dear. I want reply. Yeah, get Spring Bean class or not everything, guys. Get target Spring Bean class object reference. Get the target Spring Bean class object reference. Are you getting my point there, guys? I want reply, my dear. Come on. Which message generator? Generator is equal to ctx dot get bean. Tell me. ctx dot get bean. What is there, guys? WNG. Oh, I think I cannot directly take. First of all, I have to take into what, guys? Object class object. Okay, then we have to go for typecasting now. Generator is equal to which message generator OBJ. Typecasting is done or not done, boss? OBJ, this one typecasting is done. Now I can invoke the business method or not, boss? Invoke the business method. Invoke the business method. Tell me, guys. String result is equal to generator dot generate wish message of Raja. Tell me. Sys out. What is there? Result plus result. Close the container. What is there? CTX dot close. Is perfect? Share perfect. Come on. Okay. Now we need to run the application. What is missing? Generate wish message Raja is passed now. Oh. Yeah. Here we have to pass app config dot class. That's your right. Here you have to pass app config dot class, guys. That's good. Okay. Let's go for dependency injection test dot Java. What dot Java? Dependency injection test dot Java. What is there? Client application or main class? Main application. Everything starts with main method only, na? It's a standalone application, guys. Sys start of main method. Right, box. Tell me. Sys what is this? End of main method. One is start of main method. Other one is what? End of main. Comfortable, guys? What the point, my dear? I want reply, guys. Come on, everyone. Super. Okay, now tell me here. This is the story. Dependency injection tested out Java. This time class. By running this one, we can run the whole application or not. Okay. Flow of execution begins with main method. First IOC container creation. In the process only configuration class is loaded, object created. Then component scan. Load. User defined class loaded, object created. Then at the rate bean method called, object is created. Come on. And based on at the rate auto void annotation injection. Those who missed Saturday's class, go and watch that document. Everything I have clearly given in the flow. Given or not given, boss? Super. Right click, run as Java application. Look at the output, guys. Started with main method, ended with main method. First configuration class object is created. Because of component scan and at the rate component, user defined Spring Bean class object is created. Because of at the rate bean method, what happened? At the rate bean related local time class object is created. I'm not highlighting because of no SOP is there. Later injection is happening. Then all objects are maintained by internal container, in the IOC container, internal cache. Then I'm asking container to give me target object. On that object, business method is called. That business method is returning result. Then closing the container, end of the application. Start of main method, container creation, configuration class is loaded, object is created. Because of component scan, come on. Which message generator is identified as a Spring Bean? Because of at the rate bean, local time is identified as Spring Bean. Since no scope is there, singleton scope, both objects are created. Both objects are created or not, guys? Fine. Now at the rate auto void is detected. IP is gathered. Dependent object local time is assigned to whom? Target. Now all objects are maintained by whom? IOC container. Now all objects are maintained by whom, guys? IOC container. That's it. Now all objects are maintained by whom, guys? IOC container. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Super, guys. Tell me here. Yeah. Once maintained by IOC container, when you call ctx.getBean method, what happening? It goes to internal of IOC container, gathers the object. On that object, business method is called. Result is gathered and displayed. Then end of the container, end of the application. Those who missed Saturday's class, you missed one wonderful session. Open that document, then go through that. Then you will get complete idea about the flow of execution. Each and everything we included in that code. Yes or no? Yes, run the application. We are getting the output. Yeah, what is the current time, guys? 8:31. That's why good night message is coming or not? Okay, one mistake happened, boss. We are passing the username, but we are not using the username in the wish message. That too only missed for what? Good night only. He will feel bad, right? Okay, now you will get good night, Raja. Good night, Raja has come. Come on, on time. Okay, let's go there. So let me give the next step. Step number 8. I don't know what you do. By tomorrow, you should complete this application and also one assignment. If you complete assignment, then only I will assume you are sincere towards learning what? Spring Boot and microservice. Okay, develop the source code. Source code of the application in different packet. In what, guys? Different cases. Yeah, first, any order you can develop, guys. But first, I prefer what? Which may says generator. What generator, guys? Copy these guys. They paste. Which may says generator. Next one. What is next one? App configured out Java. What dot Java, guys? App configured out Java. App configured out Java. Next, dependency injection tested out Java. Dependency injection tested out Java. Dependency injection tested out Java. Yes, we developed all the three applications and the three files. Yeah, then what is there? Step number 8, run the application. Step number 8, how much, guys? 9, okay, whatever it is. Run the application. It's a standalone application, guys. Okay. Right click on main class. What is there? Run as a Java application. Okay, guys. Right click on main class. Run as a Java application. That's the one option, guys. You don't want to do that. Use this button. Just select the class, guys. Okay. Use this button. Output is coming or not, guys? What is the button? Run button. This is called run button. Select the main class. Use run button. Use the run button. This is called run button. Perfect? Yes. Or tell me. Select the main class. Use the run button. After that, what is the next thing, guys? Come on. Control plus F11. That is also shortcut key, guys. Okay. Control plus F11. F11. Okay. Output is coming there or not there? Yeah. Whatever you are comfortable, you do it, guys. Shall I give the assignment to you people now? These are asking flow of execution. Don't look at this code. Look at Saturdays. Each and every line I have involved in the flow of execution, including termination of the application, closing for bracket also I have involved. Involved or not involved? Mr. Blueshirt, you got error the other day. Why? Jars are not added properly. Class path mistake. That's the meaning one and the same, na? You have not added jar files to the class path properly. Shall we go for assignment? What's the assignment, guys? Make season finder class season finder class, target class, using java.time dot local date dependent class. Okay, to generate using class object to generate the season name, current season name, from the business method based on the current month of the year. Month of the year. In India, how many seasons are there? 4 seasons, 3 seasons, 3 only. Winter, rainy, summer. Okay, based on the current month, you have to decide whether season is rainy season, summer season, winter season. 6th month to 10th month, rainy season. Right? Next one. 3rd month to 5th month, summer season. 3rd month to 6th month, I mean to say 5th month also you can say. Summer season, guys, come on. And remaining everything is winter season or not, guys? Okay, now this time who is the target class? Season 5. Who is the dependent class? Local time class object. What object, guys? Local date class object, because I need month, not the time. That's why I have taken local date class object. Super, guys. You got the classwork to practice. You have got assignment to practice, guys. Please update the notes. 26 also Pozo notes. Unable to open the notes. Anurag, all notes are same. Why you are not able to open the notes? Download and open. Download and open. Okay. You want small paint images, huh? Which one? Which date? So 26th date, huh? Which date you are getting problem? 28th date, right? 28th date. What should I change? 2,500. Acha. 25,000 has come. Oh, I'll make it 2,000. Okay. Now that problem is gone. Any other documents are like that? Any other document like that you are facing? 27th also. By mistake, 2,000 has become 2,500. Control E, 2,000 only there. Any other document? 25th. Where is 25th document? Control E, here also 20,000 is there. Let's make 2,000. Okay, gone. Problems gone, guys. Don't worry. Next, open another document. 26th also same issue. 26th class not happened, it seems. No happened, huh? Okay. Right. Control E. Yeah, here. Instead of 2,000, how much has come? 20,000 has come. Okay. Yes, I understood, guys. Problem is my side only. Size is unnecessarily increased. For width is increased. Yeah. Go to this. Control T. Yeah, here is my what, guys? Google Drive. Where is this? Google Drive. In this Google Drive, what we got? Natras. Where is that, guys? 7 p.m. Where is this? Spring code. I will upload all the documents freshly, guys. Should I? Now all are coming vertically only. Check it out. But that is not our document. Ours is what? 618 Spring Core. Now all are in vertical shape only. Earlier done. I'm re-uploading all the documents, including today's document. Okay, fine. I want you people to complete classwork I want you people to complete classwork and also the assignment. Okay, do one thing. One person will post in the Facebook. Otherwise, I will write one post in the Facebook. Below that, as a comment, you have to submit your screenshot. As a comment, you have to submit your screenshot. How? You before uploading your image, first person plus one, second person plus two, third person plus three. I want to see how many people responded for this assignment. And I will check. It's not like that I don't check. I'll check also. Both assignment I'll check, classwork I will check. I hope you understood. 1 minute. I'm in Facebook. Let me put that post in our here itself. At my home, I will forget. Discussion. Go down, go down. I think write something. NTSPBMS 618. Okay. Please post your assignment as the comment. Please post your assignment as the comment. Your assignment GN, okay. GN, okay. This is this. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Right. Thank you.